everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel PT Intakes. If you're new, hi, I'm Divya. So if you are the one who has oily skin or maybe acne prone skin, then today's video is going to be for you. In today's video we will be making a Neem face pack, which is quite similar to the ones available in the market and much more effective. And yes, let's get started.
Take 1 bowl of freshly washed neem leaves, or you can even take half bowl of neem powder. If you do not have access to neem leaves, then add 10 to 12 basil or tulsi leaves. They both have antibacterial properties. And then add the toner that we prepared in previous video, or you can even add just boiled water just so that it's more pure. And then add a pinch of turmeric and then blend until you get a smooth paste. This won't be as smooth as the one available in the market, don't worry. Smooth paste, don't worry, but it is very effective. Try this one out and apply this as a spot treatment wherever you have your pimple, or you can even use this as a complete mask. Since I do not have pimples all over my face, I use this as a spot treatment wherever I get my popping pimples, just like an unwanted guest.
Do try this one out for your acne prone skin. It's really helpful. It has helped me in coping with my acne prone skin, and I'm really optimistic that it's going to be as much helpful as for you as well, because neem is having antibacterial properties. It will work for you anyways. So if you are also trying this, then please leave your feedback in the comments below, and yes, do give this one a shot. Please give this one a shot, and you can just prepare it once and keep it in refrigerator for a week and use it chilled, just so that it works on calming down your pimples as well. And yes, this was it that I wanted to share with you all. I hope that you find this one helpful, and if you did, then you know the drill. You have to like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are so close to 200 subscribers, and I'm really hoping that we will reach there soon. And yes, that's it. Please share this video with anyone who needs it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.